Sorry guys, it's not. I'll check it. And my friends even say it's very nice. Shut up! What? Finally, I place it. So okay, I ordered rosemary and some serums and everything from Plix. Is it Plix only, right? Yeah, it does. So it has a lot of reviews, and my friends even say it's very nice. Shut up! What?
Continue.
Yeah. So it's supposed to grow your hair. You can see. Actually, I have too many hair falls because not I'm getting bald. It's getting bald because I bleached my hair long back, and I literally burned my freaking scalp. So I need to take it right now. So yeah. Okay. Anyway, how to unbox this? Can you take the knife from there?
Sure.
For this review, I think I will use it for 1 or 50 days. So I will shoot in between all 10 or 1 week videos, and I will edit it together and post it like after 1 month or something. But this unboxing video I will post right now and I will tell you. So it has a lot of review, like a lot. Okay, let's unbox this anyway. This is the way to open. Oh, here. It's been so drama here in YouTube, like.
Major drama is here.
You all, I know.
I'm not drama, you are drama.
Ooh.
Most.
What is this?
Most dangerous.
We have a card. Someone brought something here. Hi, Plixo fam. What is it? Welcome to the world of hashtag take care, have fun. Hope you have a. What is this? We
Written one.
hope you will love your Plix product as much as how they created to love this. No, how they love when you're creating it for us. Yeah, oh my god.
Why?
We are on the mission to success. Founder Agashan. What is this? Rishabh?
Shop.
Okay, so this is. I thought it's handwritten, but it's not. They scanned it and printed it.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyway, they see. And we have bill. Okay, it's a sticker. Where should I stick this? On your head.
On your face.
And we have a Plix inside a gift from a nature. What is this? Oh my god, it's a seed. We have to put it in somewhere and it will grow.
No, put it on your head. It will grow.
Two.
It's a
See,
seed, na?
steps to the plant for the.
And this here is your plant. It will grow nicely.
See, read this. Step to plant this pepper. Tear the pepper into small pieces. Plant on a layer soil. Keep the moist. Where we put this? What kind of plant it will come from? Tomato? I don't know. I'll do it somewhere here. We have a lot of greeneries here. And most of any pot. Ta-na-na-na. Oh my god, it smells so good.
Yeah.
And we ordered a pineapple serum or something. Yeah.
It smells like pineapple.
It smells like little subtle pineapple. So this are this. Thank you so much. We'll post a review. Bye. My mom is here. She will call me right now. Bye. Anyway, I just unboxed my rosemary. The paper smells like rosemary. On the package smells like rosemary. And this is the bottle. This also smells. Hey, it doesn't smell like rosemary.
Yeah.
What? Anyway, this is the one. So the other one is. Oh my god. Just stick this on. Okay, this one. Orderless. Anyway, I'll come back later. Bye. Bye. This call. Hello guys.
Hello guys. Today I'm unboxing this. Someone gifted me.
No gift and all.
No.
I brought it for my own money.
I'm looking super good.
Wait a second.
What?
It's a vlog.
Hi.
Hey, why not standing anywhere? Oh my freaking god. I'm a delulu so much right now. Okay.
हो गया क्या?
Thank God, leave there. No, it's not my ankle. I look like shit in here.
अरे आज morning भेजूंगी but I need to take renters.
You need to take the rentals of. Oh, yeah. I saw the
Yesterday,
message yesterday night.
Yeah, I forgot to bring charger and देखा दो charges.
Sorry, guys, it's not. I will check it.